Hey guys, welcome to another video on personal finance tips and strategies. In this video, we're going to be diving into the $100,000 lie. Why the smartest investment in your future might be 100% free. Now, as someone who has spent years in education and workforce development, I believe it's time we confront a truth that has quietly become one of the biggest scams in modern society. That is, spending $100,000 and 4 years on a college degree that teaches outdated skills and often delivers a dismal return on investment. Let me be very clear on this. I'm not here to sugarcoat the situation. Higher education in its current form is broken for many students. It's an expensive, outdated model that too often leaves graduates drowning in student loans debt with little to show for it in a job market. But here's what a few are talking about. Some of the best universities in the world, MIT, Stanford, Harvard, Yale, are offering their most valuable courses entirely for free. Can you believe that, guys? Have you ever heard that before? 100% free. No hidden fees, no credit card required, no free trial gimmicks, so you can put away your wallet, because everything I'm about to show you in this video is 100% free. Just high quality education that's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Today I'm sharing 10 world-class courses that in many cases are better than traditional paid degrees. These aren't fringe offerings, these are foundational, career-relevant programs that are helping people to land real job, often without ever setting foot in a classroom. Here we go. But before I get started, guys, if this video should be interrupted by advertisements, please allow them to play through, because that is how I am compensated for putting together this free information and for bringing it to you for free, right? Whatever we receive from the ads, it helps us to purchase updated tools so we can create these videos and bring you this bit of information. Number one on the list, MIT, Introduction to Computer Science Open Courseware. MIT charges nearly $50,000 a year to attend, but the same rigorous computer science curriculum, lectures, assignments, projects is available online at no cost. 100% free. The same courses that they're charging in the classroom, it's online for free. This isn't a stripped down version. It's the exact material that helps power the global tech industry. You learn algorithms, data structures, and computational thinking, skills that employers care about far more than the name on your diploma. If I should give this free course, if I should score this free test, I should say, I'm getting tongue-tied. If I should score this free course, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Now, you will have to do a a little work in getting to this free course. You will have to do some work, apply some elbow grease, of course, and seek out this free course online, but it's there for free. Number 2 on the list, Open Source Society University, Computer Science Path, OSSU. Now, OSSU is a full computer science curriculum built from the best free courses. So they take the best information and they put it together, and you're getting the best of the best. A straightforward, straight to the point version they have put together, and you're getting all of this for free. Now, OSSU is a full computer science curriculum built from the best free courses across the internet. It's constantly updated by developers and educators to reflect what's actually relevant in today's tech landscape. And this is the beauty about this, because it will never become irrelevant or outdated, because it's constantly updated. As soon as there's something new in regards to technology, they update this free course, so it's always relevant and updated. There's no filler, no outdated theory, just practical job ready knowledge. And if we should give this free course a score, it would be a 9.5 out of 10. Students who have taken advantage of these free courses, they have left a score, and we're revealing to you these scores, and this one is a 9.5 out of 10 for relevance and for being updated. Number 3 on the list, Stanford Machine Learning with Andrew, taught by one of the world's leading AI experts. This course explains the why behind machine learning, not just the how. You learn the math and logic that separate entry-level roles from six-figure AI careers. It's a masterclass in clarity and depth, and it's free. 100% free. The score that has been given for this free course is 9 out of 10, which is a high score. These are all high scores. Number 4 on the list, Yale Financial Markets by Robert Schuyler. This course offers Ivy League finance education. Ivy League finance education. And it's 100% free on YouTube, taught by Nobel laureate Robert Schuyler. It dives into the psychological and behavioral dynamics of financial markets, something few traditional courses offer. Whether you want to work in finance or just manage your investments better, this is a powerful resource. The score for this is 8 out of 10, which is great. Number 5 on the list, Free Code Camp Full Stack Curriculum. Free Code Camp is a non-profit that provides an entire coding education from basic HTML to advanced machine learning. It's project-based, so you'll graduate with a portfolio of real applications. Thousands have landed jobs at Google, Microsoft, and other top firms using this platform. guys. You see, this is the real deal. Students who have gone through this boot camp, this non-profit free boot camp, at the end of the course provided, they have been able to land jobs at Google, Microsoft, and other top firms just using this platform. Score they have left concerning this course is 10 out of 10, 100% free. You could go through this course and you would be coming out debt-free without having a big old student loan of over $100,000. Isn't that great? Let's move on to the next. Number 6, Yale Introduction to Psychology. Despite the stigma around psychology degrees, understanding human behavior is a superpower in nearly every industry. This course ties theory directly to real-world application, from marketing to leadership to design. Score 7.5 out of 10, which is also great. Moving on to number 7, MIT Sloan Business and Management Open Courseware. MIT's business school offers free access to lectures on entrepreneurship, marketing, operations, and more. While an MBA may cost upwards of $140,000, these courses offer the same strategic insights for free without the fluff. Score 9 out of 10. It doesn't get no better than that. Number 8 on the list, Harvard CS50 series, Introduction to Computer Science and Game Development, which is a big thing. CS50 is legendary for a reason. It makes tough concepts accessible and engaging. Their game development course teaches fundamentals using real tools like Unity, skills that translate into one of the fastest growing industries in technology, all for free. Isn't free a good thing? Who said there ain't nothing that is free? And you have a lot of people talk about the best things in life aren't free. Well, education is one of the best thing in life, and here it's free. Score for this is 9 out of 10, which is great. Number 9, Port Swigger Web Security Academy. Created by the developers of the industry standard tool Burp Suite, this course is one of the few hands-on resources for cybersecurity. You'll gain real-world hacking and vulnerability testing experience, skills that are in desperate demand globally, all for free. Score 9 out of 10. And trust me guys, if you're watching this video, pay attention to this course right here. And I encourage this career in computer engineer and cybersecurity. That's one of my sons, that's what they're pursuing. That's the career they're pursuing in computer engineer and cybersecurity. That is on the rise, guys. I would encourage those of you who are watching to pay close attention to a career in cybersecurity, because that's where technology is heading. Everything is nowadays online, and cybersecurity is in high demand. And can you believe this, guys? A new graduate from who has pursued a career in cybersecurity, a new graduate in cybersecurity can make over $100,000 per year in their first year as a new graduate. So pay close attention to that. Number 10 on the list, Khan Academy. Number 10 on the list, Khan Academy, general education for all ages. Khan Academy has democratized learning like no other platform. Whether you're brushing up on high school algebra or diving into AP biology, their intuitive, engaging lessons are second to none. And yes, it's still 100% free. Score for this one is 9.5 out of 10. Okay guys, my final thoughts. Now let's be clear, you'll have to do some work to find these free courses. As I've said before, you'll have to spend some time online and dig out these free courses. But the good thing about it is I've brought it to your attention. Nobody can dig for gold unless they have been told that gold is somewhere over there. Now I have let you know that these free courses are somewhere over there. Now you'll just have to go dig for them, okay? These courses won't give you a traditional degree. They often don't come with official certification, although some do offer low-cost options. But in today's market, what employers care about most is what you can do, not where you learned it from. Now, if you're worried about credibility, if you would like to have your credentials, then programs like the Google Career Certificates are available for about $49 a month. Less than $100,000. You could fill in that gap with affordable credentials that employers actually respect. These are respectable credentials that employers will honor. So before you sign up on the dotted line for courses that will leave you over $100,000 in student loans, explore these alternatives. The path to a high-paying, meaningful career could start with a free video and a little self-discipline. Okay guys, we're gonna stop here. I hope that you have been encouraged by this video, and I hope that this video has empowered you and helped you to see that you could take a different course, a different direction as far as your education is concerned. There's nothing wrong with pursuing after a higher education, but it shouldn't cost you so much. You could pursue after a higher education all for free. Yes, there's gonna be some work that you have to put in. Yes, there's gonna be some effort that you'll have to make, but guess what? You'll have a lot of peace of mind in the long run. You won't have that high student loan hanging over your head, and you can't put a price on peace of mind. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. We're gonna be searching for information and doing more videos like these that will help you. Click on the thumbs up button to give us a like, and if you're watching and you have something that you would like to add to this video for the benefit of the viewers, please do so. I would really appreciate your input. Look out for our next video, but until then, please be safe. God bless your efforts.